Good morning and Jai Hind. In this video, we are going to learn about sentences and its kind. A sentence may be defined as a group of words that contains a subject and a predicate and expresses a complete thought. That means in a sentence there would be number of words and those words may contains a subject and after the subject there would be a predicate and the whole sentence would express a complete thought, have a complete meaning. On the basis of its usage, sentences are termed as declarative, imperative, interrogative and exclamatory. These are the four kinds of sentences. So let us understand each one of them. The first one is declarative sentences. These sentences is one which states or declares something or one that states the fact. That means those sentences which are which declares or which makes any statement, those sentences are known as declarative sentences, or we may say assertive sentences. Let us see some examples. Students study their lessons. He is the owner of the lot where our house stands. I am a teacher. The sun rises in the east. All these sentences are declarative sentences, and these sentences ends with a period, or we may say the full stop. So the next one, our next kind of sentence is imperative sentences. These sentences which expresses a request, command or an order. So let us see one example here. Please give me a glass of water. We can understand this that a request has been made and someone is asking for water, and the request can be easily identified by the word please. So imperative sentences starts with capital letter and they ends with period. Generally the subject is not mentioned here and only the predicate is expressed, as we have seen in our previous example. Now the next one is interrogative sentence. In this a question were asked. So let us see further that it usually begins with asking words. That means the interrogative words like what, who, why, how, where, as well as the helping verb also, and it ends with question mark, as you can see the question mark here. Now let us see the example also. Do you know how to write a poem? Did the child eat his dinner? Why did you come late? Have you received my gift? Where do you live? You can see in all the sentences, the sentence has been started either with the interrogative words or the helping verb like do, did or have, and all these sentences are ending with the interrogative or question mark at the end is there. The next one is exclamatory sentences. An exclamatory sentence expresses a sudden or strong emotions or feelings such as happiness, sadness, anger, surprise, fear, excitement. That means strong emotions are expressed in these sentences. Help, our house is on fire. You can see here the sudden emotions were expressed and exclamatory mark has been placed after help as well as after the fire. An exclamatory sentences cannot be a single word. It usually begins with capital letters and ends with an exclamatory mark, as we have seen in the example also. Sometimes a period is used to lessen the force of the exclamation. See the examples here. What a good dinner that was. The sentence was started with capital alphabet and at the end there is a exclamatory mark. Oh my god. Run for your life, Jose. Forgive me, mother. Ah, here comes his wife. In all these sentences, we have seen that uh, the sentence was started with capital letters and an exclamatory mark has been placed appropriately.